We're on a hunt again, and this time we're going to IKEA and show you what's new and what's actually nice at IKEA. Where are we going today, Mr. M? Welcome to IKEA. But first, breakfast. I recently sold this sofa, so that's what we are looking for. A replacement for this Mario building-ish couch that we sold on Facebook Marketplace recently. Ganyan nga yun.
Check 1, 2.
My criteria is so simple. It has to be comfortable, first and foremost. It has to be a sofa bed this time. It has to be brown. It has to be velvet or something in those lines. That's why it's taking me a while to decide on which one to get. It has to be plush, but not bulky, not square, no corners whatsoever. I still want to stick with the rounded edges, the curve, if possible.
Basahin mo nga. Are you looking for sleepovers? Finala. So everything here, she said, is a sleeper bed.
We are also trying to let go of the trundle bed in the studio. So Mr. M is really on the lookout. He's really hunting for a sofa bed. He wants a sofa in the studio that turns into a bed when the kids are sleeping over. But he wants more space and he wants it to look like a living space slash office slash studio.
This one is the home 3-seat sleeper sectional. Convertible. Converts quickly and easily into a spacious bed. Storage space under the chaise lounge. 1149. 1149. I just want to see the profile from behind. Cause like I said, I'm looking for something brown. Would have been nicer if it's darker, like a chocolate brown, but will do. So that's an option. Wholesome. Wholesome. I know I'm butchering that name. Nalalakihan sa bahay. Ano ba to? Nako-convert na oval?
Yes.
Ingatorp.
Naka-convert yun.
43 and a quarter. 499. It's quick and easy to change the size of the table to suit your different needs. With the extra leaf stored under the tabletop, you can extend the table to seat from 4 to 6 people. Yep, that's an option.
Presentation.
So these are one of the new items that they have, the Stockholm 2025 3-seat sofa, and it's velvet. It's a nice color, 3-seat. Oh, it's actually convertible. Like you can configure it to the size that you like. It can be 2-seat or 3-seat. Look at that. I used to love that combination in interior design. The blue and the orange. So maybe I should add some blue in my New brown color scheme. But not the couch, not the sofa. These are also nice. Boucle, also one of their new items here at IKEA. Armchair Stockholm 2025. Again, it's a rattan upholstery in Jumo gray white. $399. Not bad. This is $119.99. Even this lamp is one of their new items. Floor lamp comes in brass plated and 63 inches white textile shade. The lamp base is made of a natural stone, which is travertine. Matches my CB2 table. How much is this? $129. Maybe I should get that today because I need the lamp in the living room for my dresser. Love seat Applard. 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 $12.49. It's also velvet. Oh, already wobbly. That's IKEA. That's IKEA for you. This would be nice as my coffee station. 778. Best TV storage combination. Wait, is that for the set? And it comes in black brown, which is probably what I would get. Low mark, 499. I like that color.
Check 1, 2.
Soft close, but again, it's already broken. Those hinges aren't as good. Billy Pennies, 189. 189.
Check 1.
Not soft close. Office, $399. I love jaw. Office chair. It's nice. It's a good quality one. Adjustable. Oh, it is adjustable. Storage solution area.
Check 1, 2. Pandanganku mulai suram, semua badan telah kram. May IKEA ba sa akin?
$12. Meron. It looks like it. And it's on sale for $349. This wasn't here when we were looking for a dining table. I mean, you have to do something about the top because it looks really fake. But it's not so bad for $349. I would have considered that when we were in the market for a dining table, for an oval dining table. But we already have one. $249.99. Uh, that's a good profile. The sharpness profile edge, not bad. And these are $65 each. I'm looking for a dining set for an apartment for college students. I will get that for this one. Last chance. And how much is this? Doesn't say. Also a good option, just not in gray. Again, this top. 319 for the round one. And it's 41 and 3/8 inch. 279 for the white. And that's what we are considering to get. I like this better. If it's also convertible, 699, 57 and an eighth oak veneer, brown stained. Yep, comes in white. Kitchens.
Back to
699. Your dream easel. Pwede rin TV dyan eh.
kasi pwede natin tanggalin sa wall.
Mm. Kasi tinatighten, hindi nakatighten.
Pwede ba? So, para yung
Parang they added scent here. I think that's one of their new thing. What do you think?
check 1, 2.
That's $19.99, $34.99, and this is $34.99. I think I like that. Where is that one? This is 19, and this is 34. Oh, it has the fringe. Okay, let's go. And I think I want to add this to our living room. Cowhide, 159. That will be nice on top of the existing for the rugs. These are their new selection, $299.99. It's part of the Stockholm 2025 collection. Also comes in green. We're into green. Says new. Oh, the table lamp is new. $17.99. Glass work. Wonder if it comes in other colors. Pendant lamp. 199.99. Not bad. It's 21-inch glass and brass plated. This one is also new. Mhm. $79.99. I like it. I actually like this better. And it's 20-inch textile brass plated.
So, what do you think? That's it for IKEA. Unfortunately, I did not find anything that I like. Just to take that off the list. IKEA, checked.
So, wala ni full model. Yung parang
And 7/8. Or kung dalawa nun. Ilan ba yung sa atin? 6?
6 by 6.
Thanks
Thank
for
you.
watching. And like I said, watch out for
Pwede
that
dalawang ganyan na nga
reveal
yan.
video. Until the next one, Love and light
Kaya
to
lang,
all.
sayang eh.
Remember,
Hmm.
style is what you make or break.
Hmm.
Love and light to all. Bye.